New 22 AI-based lead generation tools for B2B. AnyBiz. AI-based lead generation tools are now essential for unlocking new opportunities. They act as super smart assistants, identifying perfect leads and optimizing engagement strategies, marking a pivotal shift toward more intelligent lead generation and predictable outcomes. Lead generation tools serve as digital compasses for B2B businesses, utilizing data, AI, and behavior analysis to pinpoint potential customers and streamline marketing efforts for efficient and targeted outreach. AI revolutionizes lead generation by delving deep into data for precise targeting and conversion prediction. These tools automate tasks, streamline communication, and follow-ups, akin to having an astute assistant, marking a transformative edge over traditional methods. AI effortlessly scales with business growth, managing expanding lead volumes efficiently. Its predictive capabilities revolutionize strategies, tailoring approaches to meet leads at every stage for maximum impact and success. Key features to look for in AI-based lead generation tools: actionable analytics, CRM synergy, precision personalization. Showcasing 22 AI-based lead generation tools. 1. AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz.io revolutionizes B2B lead generation with cutting-edge AI technology. Automated lead capture, scoring, and nurturing streamline processes, while machine learning enhances engagement strategies for personalized outreach. With mega personalization, AnyBiz.io boosts sales efficiency and lead conversion rates significantly. AnyBiz.io excels with its all-in-one platform, merging AI-driven lead scoring, enhanced data, and automation for streamlined lead generation and boosted conversion rates. 2. Lead Genius is a B2B sales automation platform that helps businesses improve their go-to-market strategies by providing access to custom data and AI-powered insights. 3. ZoomInfo is a leading B2B sales intelligence platform that empowers businesses to identify, connect with, and engage qualified leads. They provide comprehensive data and insights to fuel smarter sales and marketing strategies. 4. HubSpot is a comprehensive CRM, customer relationship management platform designed to empower businesses of all sizes with a suite of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. It offers a free tier and various paid plans to cater to different needs and budgets. 5. 6 Sense redefines lead generation with AI-powered real-time buying signals. By analyzing online data, it identifies prospects actively seeking solutions like yours, maximizing outreach effectiveness and leaving traditional methods behind. 6. Zoho CRM goes beyond simple contact management, offering a robust platform with built-in AI features to supercharge your lead generation efforts. Here's how Zoho CRM leverages AI to turn prospects into customers. 7. Swordfish.ai dives deep into the data ocean, wielding the power of AI to help businesses unearth the hidden treasures qualified leads. Here's what sets them apart in the AI lead generation game. 8. Meet Alfred uses AI to turbocharge your LinkedIn outreach, automate connection requests, send personalized messages at scale, and manage campaigns all within one platform. 9. Seamless. AI provides a real-time AI-powered search engine for B2B companies, streamlining lead generation by finding accurate contact information for ideal sales leads. This boosts sales pipeline and revenue effectively. 10. Reply.io takes the grunt work out of sales outreach with an AI-powered platform designed to automate, personalize, and scale your communication. 11. Customers.ai boasts the world's highest website visitor identification match rate. This translates to a laser-focused understanding of your website traffic, allowing you to identify high-potential customers with pinpoint accuracy. 12. Inbox Pro tackles your email woes with the power of AI, transforming your inbox into a productivity powerhouse. 13. Albert.ai offers a self-learning AI platform for marketers to optimize paid advertising across various channels. It emphasizes efficiency and maximizing ROI. 14. LeadIQ empowers sales, marketing, and RevOps teams to build pipelines faster through smarter B2B prospecting. Find high-quality leads, personalize outreach, and track engagement, all within one platform. 15. Fastbots.ai enables rapid creation of AI chatbots for improving customer interaction and lead generation, leveraging existing content for quick deployment across platforms. 16. Outreach.io streamlines sales processes with a secure all-in-one platform, boosting deal success and sales team efficiency. 17. Copilot AI boosts B2B sales by automating personalized LinkedIn interactions, driving consistent growth with quality leads. 18. Use Artemis enhances B2B lead generation on LinkedIn by automating the discovery of verified emails, enriching lead profiles, and managing multi-channel outreach. 19. Drift empowers businesses to build stronger customer relationships through conversational marketing. Their AI-powered platform facilitates real-time interactions with website visitors, converting them into leads and ultimately, customers. 20. Kartra is your comprehensive solution for managing and scaling online business activities, integrating marketing, sales, and content delivery tools in one platform. 21. Surfer SEO enhances content with SEO-focused insights, aiming to improve search rankings and drive organic traffic. 22. Jasper is an AI-driven platform enabling swift, high-quality content production for various marketing needs, enhancing efficiency and output. AI-based lead generation tools like AnyBiz.io revolutionize B2B marketing and sales, offering unmatched efficiency and improved outreach quality. They streamline operations, cut costs, and promise substantial growth and success. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.